Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I'm going to do something. I just got these molds and I'm going to do something a little different. What I did was I got these nice little, I don't know if you can see them, stickers, but I am taking the backs off of them. I'm using a little bit of tape to help me in that respect. Now, instead of doing them the sticky side down, I'm doing sticky side up and just pushing them down on that, because then that way it will adheres to this, because this is brand new molds, so it will adhere, but it won't have the rigidness that this gives it. Putting 2 in this one. Okay, I'm going to get all these stickers in here, and then I'm going to cut those down. So I'm going to fast forward so you can see what I'm doing. I went ahead and put some fresh crystal unicorn art in my Expert Resin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour some little bit in here. This is going to be a 2-part pour. In each one of these. I just put a little dab of that unicorn crystal in it. Just enough to give it a little bit of a sparkle. Okay, let me mix up just a little bit more, and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. This should be enough. Oh. Boy, am I making a mess today. These are just some molds I got off Temu. I ended up getting 2. I thought I only got 1. You know how we do sometimes. We can't help it. We put some in our cart and we end up getting a second one, not even meaning to. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that these have resin underneath them. So they will stay put where they are. Hopefully there'll be no bubbles underneath there. I'm going to go with a second layer on these. And the second layer, as you see the mica powder sitting there, those are going to be the colors of the second layer. Come on, get under there. Go. These are so cute. These are like those thumb worry stones. I saw a few of the other artists have them, and I thought, oh, those would be nice. So I went ahead and got me a set. I watch too much YouTube. All right, we're going to let those sit overnight and cure. And hopefully there won't be any bubbles in the corners of any of this. And I will be back for the second layer when it's ready. I've got my Expert Resin mixed up. I've got 3 cups here. I'm going to mix a emerald green, apricot, and white. And I'm going to do a dirty pour on the back side of these right here. I think that would be the best. I'm going to put these in here, and then I'll come back to you once these are all mixed. But I'm just using a little bit of each one. All right, I've got them all mixed, and I'm going to do, like I said, a dirty pour. We're going to start with the pretty apricot. We're going to go white. And then green. And I'm just going to do that till I get it all mixed up. I'm going to do like 3 rows of them. I probably have way too much, but that's okay. I'd rather have too much than too little. All right, here we go. Well, these are pretty colors together. Add a little more to this one. More to this one. I just want to make sure they're filled up. I'll be back when these are completely cured, and we will see how they turned out. I am dying to see how these colors turned out. This one sunk in a little bit, but this one looks like it didn't. So let's go ahead and start with this one. Ooh, these are pretty. I love how they turned out. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I may have a bubble or two, but that's okay. These out. And it's got a big bubble right there. Oh, I like that one. And that one does not have any kind of bubbles. Oh, I lied. It's got a little bitty one right there and right there. Wow, those are pretty. I love what the colors did on the backside, especially this one here and that one. Oh, look at that. These are those worry stones that you put in your pocket and you can rub them. like that. But those stickers, I don't even see the... I seriously cannot see anywhere there's the stickers, you know, the where, yeah, I can't even talk right now. But you know, that white part of the sticker that was around them, I can't even see it. Well, this one maybe. But wow, these look pretty. That one got a little off center. Wow. Well, I hope you liked this pour as much as I did. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.